On this example, the only thing I really want to talk about is showing you box method, but a different way. Okay, because I think sometimes our box method is a little confusing. So I just want to show you how the book does factoring. It's kind of the same. They're setting up the chart and everything, but it's just a little different how they write it. So they're starting with the equation 2x squared plus 5x plus 3. And they want you to factor it, okay? So just like what we do in our box, all they are doing is this. We have the equation 2x squared plus 5x plus 3, correct? Standard form of a quadratic is ax squared plus bx plus c. So that means the term in front of x squared is a, this term is b, and this term is c. So the first thing they're doing, when they make their chart, all they're going to write is ac on this side and b on this side. Because this means a times c. What's a times c? What's 2 times 3?
6.
Good. So we're going to break down 6. What numbers break down to give me 6? 1 times 6, 2 times 3. On this side, all they wrote is b, so what's b?
5.
Out of what we wrote, which ones will be equal to 5 when you add them? 2 times 3. When we add 2 times 3, we get 5. Okay? So I know that these are the factors that I'm using. Now, I'm not going to do the box method. I know I taught us box method, but I want to show you how the book does it. What the book does is they write the first term. Now, we broke down this 5x. We broke it down into 2x plus 3x. And then I'm going to bring down my last term. So the book just breaks this middle term down. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take out greatest common factors. Okay? So looking at these two, the greatest common factor between 2x squared and 2x is 2x. They both have 2x in them. So if I take out 2x, that means that I'm going to be left with 2x squared divided by 2x is just x. 2x divided by 2x is just 1. So I took 2x out of these first two terms. Now I'm going to look at the second parentheses. What do both of these have in common? A 3. So I'm going to pull out 3. 3x divided by 3 is just x. 3 divided by 3 is just 1. Now there's a reason we do this. Because now both of these have a greatest common factor of x plus 1. So if I take out x plus 1, what would be left here? 2x. And if I take out this x plus 1, what's left here? Final answer. I just wanted to show you this because this is another way of doing box method. We can still draw our box. We can still fill in the blanks in the boxes. Or you can just write it out. And once you write it out, you can start to see, well, what do they have in common? What can I pull out?